In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the ruler in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a school paper, a business document, or a creative writing project, having the ruler visible can significantly help you align text and images so it all looks neat and professional. So, let's dive right in and explore how to easily do this within Google Docs. First, you're going to want to open up the Google Doc that you are working on. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a series of menu options laid out in a toolbar. Look for the tab that says View. This is where you'll begin the process to show your ruler. Once you click on the View tab, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see several options available to adjust how you view your document. Here, you'll want to focus on the option that says Show Ruler. When you click on this, it will activate the ruler display. If you see the ruler appear at the top of your document, then you've successfully enabled it. This ruler can be extremely handy for setting precise margins or aligning objects accurately on your page. You'll notice that a checkmark will become visible next to the Show Ruler option in the drop-down menu. This checkmark is an indicator that the ruler is now active and viewable on your document. This feature is particularly useful if you're planning to print your document or if specific layout measurements are important to your work. By keeping this visual guide active, you can maintain greater control over your formatting. Now, there may be times when you prefer to have a cleaner view of your document without the ruler taking up space. No worries, hiding the ruler is just as simple as showing it. You'll need to repeat the same process. Go back to your View tab on the menu bar and click it to access the drop-down menu again. Then click on Show Ruler once more. This time, clicking it will remove the checkmark, which means that the ruler is now turned off and will no longer appear at the top of your document. This toggling feature makes it incredibly easy to switch back and forth depending on your current needs while working on the document. Being able to make these quick adjustments without impacting your workflow is one of the many convenient functionalities of Google Docs. So, whether you decide to keep the ruler visible for precise formatting or prefer a minimalist view for distraction-free writing, you can easily adjust with just a few clicks. And that's it. You've learned how to show and hide the ruler in Google Docs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make your document creation process even smoother. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more helpful tips and tricks in Google Docs. Have a great day.